Okay, real talk. Ever had one of those mornings where your skin just looks meh? Last week I was seriously dragging, but then I tried Laura Geller's Baked Blush-n-Brighten Marbleized Blush and oh my god, game changer. Picture this. You're late for work, swipe this baby on and boom, instant flush of color that literally wakes up your face. It's like having a mini spa treatment in under a minute. And get this, it self-adjusts to your skin tone. No more hunting for the perfect shade. It just works flawlessly. Plus it feels like nothing but magic on your cheekbones. I didn't even know blush could give me such a lit from within vibe without feeling heavy. Perfect for those busy mornings or when you've got 5 minutes max to get ready. Honestly, whether you're young and fresh or let's say seasoned and fabulous, this blush has got you covered. It's my go-to for anything from brunch dates to Zoom meetings. Don't sleep on this. Hit that add to cart button now and thank me later. Seriously, glow up with Laura G.